Good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis on Euro Dollar, we can see that first break of the previous high. If this candle, or rather subsequent candle, break and close above this high, which is at 1.1348, then Euro Dollar on the daily chart is on a bullish run. Alright, head down to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it is already on a bullish trend. Alright, 4-hour chart is on a bullish trend. Market head up near to the previous resistance. So counter trend trader, your opportunity comes in for a shorting opportunity. Head down to 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, nothing much, creating a new high, so very bullish on the 1 hour. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. On the daily chart, this is just the buy zone, looking for a buying opportunity within this region. Head down to 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, there are two shark patterns, a bullish shark pattern within the buy zone as a trend trading opportunity. And right now, I already have shorted Euro Dollar based off the counter trend setup over here. Shorting opportunity at 1.1322. Shorting opportunity over here, and you can see that the shark pattern is still valid on the 1 hour, having a RSI divergence as well. So that's all I have for you today. If you love this analysis and like to see how this trade actually form up, join us this Wednesday on our Facebook Live, 6:08 PM Singapore time at www.facebook.com/forextrend.org. Thank you so much for watching, and remember always plan your trend, trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.